Hey guys, I'm Riddhi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great. So as you have read the title, today's video is going to be an Urbanic haul. So lately I've been seeing this website all over the internet. So I was very keen to try their website and see what they have in their collection. So in this video, I'm going to give you a review of all the things that I got from Urbanic and a try on haul. And I really hope that you guys find this video helpful. If you like this video, do give this video a big thumbs up, share the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's get started with the video. So I got to know about Urbanic like last year only, but during my birthday time, which was in January, I ordered some stuff from Urbanic. So the first item that I got was this sweater, because this was winter time in January. So this is the sweater that I got. This is like embroidered sweater with some detailing over here. It's like hand embroidered, and I really love the color and everything. Yellow is a really vibrant color. I love that. And it retails for 2790, and I think I would have gotten it for a lesser price than that, but I got this because of the detailing and everything. It looks really cute, and I can't wait to wear this in the winter season next year or this year, like, yeah. And I really love the way this looks. It's really pretty. So yeah, the next item that I got in January was this jacket. This is like a bit furry jacket. It was for like 1200 or something, which was very great. And I think it was in not that big a size. I think it was a one size thingy. So I got this, and it is really nice and furry. It's packed now, so I'm not gonna take it out. But I would definitely mention this in the description box. You can check this out. It's a really great jacket. I don't know if it will be available now, but I think I just love this one. It's really nice, and it's in a very creamish beige color. It's gonna go with everything. Next stuff that I got is these necklaces which I'm wearing. One is I'm wearing, this is like a butterfly thingy which I wore for my birthday, and I totally love this one. I've worn this multiple times now, and I just love this, and it has not even broken down, so it's great. It's like a good quality one. And I also got this chain one. I've worn this in my H&M haul. If you would seen that, I'm wearing this one only, and it's also like a choker thingy here, and these are really nice. And I thought that they would be not of that good quality, but they are really nice quality, and I totally love them. And these were for around like 300 something, so which is great for these jewelry. So the next item that I got is these brown denims. I just totally love them. I don't own anything like colored bottoms, so I got this in a brown color, which is really nice. It was also present in the denim color, but I wanted to get this in this one only. And this was for like 2290. I'm pretty sure it was under 2000 rupees, and I got this in a size small. You should check the size chart, because their small varies every time. Like for sometimes the waist 26, it's for something different. So you have to check the size chart carefully and get the correct size. And this totally fits me really nicely. It's a bit loose from like the waist area, but I think it's really nice. I love, wide leg narrow denims, and this is really nice. These are like pants, not denims. To pair something with it, I got this, and this is like a very beige, like cream top, and these beige and brown colors are currently very trending. Everyone loves these colors, and these colors go with everything. It's like a wardrobe staple, and this time I've got stuff that I could pair it up with everything, layer everything over it. And that's why I got this tank top, which has like detailing over here, like a drawstring detailing, which is very trendy right now. Everyone loves this detailing, and this is for like, it shows like 690, but I got it for around like 400 something or so. And I really love this top, and I would totally pair it up with those denims, and I'm gonna wear a white shirt over it, and that's gonna look amazing, because I am like a sucker for layerings, and I love layering stuff. So I think that's gonna look amazing. And yeah, that's very nice. I got this in a size small. So I got this top which I'm wearing. This is like a white tank top, and I got this also for the layering purposes. I'm gonna wear like a shirt, jacket, everything over it. You can wear it, you can style it in multiple ways, and it's amazing. So I got this one as well. I got this in a size medium, and it was for 390. Next thing I got is these denims. In the site I thought that these were leather pants, but when I saw the reviews, like these were like black denim with those stripes, it was creating an illusion of that. But this is really amazing. These are a bit wide. Those were narrow, but these are a bit wide, not that much as well. And these are really nice. They fit really nicely. I got this in a size small as well. and these are for 1690. I got it for around like 1000 or something, like around 1000 1100. And also most of the items on Urbanic are on discount, some sort of rupees of discount out there, and they have also coupon codes. So I think I got this for around like 1000, which is great. I really love these denims, and to pair something with this as well. I have these zebra print top. I've seen many girls wearing this on internet, and this is like, zebra print is very trending and I love this top. But one thing I don't like is the quality of it, because I can't wear this in summer. I just don't know what fabric is this. But I love the drawstring detailing. It just suits my body type, and the zebra print is amazing. It's a bit, body hugging stuff, which I don't really like, but I think I would definitely wear in some good occasion. I would definitely love to wear this zebra top, and zebra print is currently very trending. I got this in a size small or medium, not sure about it, and this was for around like 590 or something, which is also great. So this is what I got, and I love this, and these two make such a good pair, and everything that I got are making a good pair, so I'm really happy with that. And the last item, which is totally not the least item, is this black top, which is, they have a button detailing there. The one thing I don't like about this top is the see-through thing, and the quality of this is not my favorite, but I totally like this, the top. It is very nice. You could pair it up with any of those pants which I showed you earlier, or denims or track pants, and these are for also like around 400 something. Got this in a size small, and the buttons can also open up. And this is a totally wardrobe staple, like a black plain button top is amazing. So I totally love this buy. Come in this sort of packaging, like the Shein packaging right here. You would definitely recognize this, the Ziploc thingy, which is great. And they also come in this sort of orangey thing, which is their, I guess, the color of the logo and everything. I really hope that this video will be helpful for you according to the size thingy, because my waist size is like around 24 and 26, like it's midway between those two, so you can think it's 25, and I got small in those lowers. And the top, it definitely varies from small to medium. It definitely varies, so you could see what you could go with your gut. I always go with my gut feeling, and also try to see the reviews, because reviews are really helpful in this Urbanic thingy. And also check the size chart. That's really important if you're going, on the site. And I hope that you all will like this video. If you do, then do give this video big thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And as always, stay safe, stay happy. Bye guys.